My name is Wilbert van der Ridder. I'm an innovation leader at AWO R&D, and I'm one of the people responsible for setting up and executing our innovation roadmap. Well, customers were requesting an alternative to operator visual inspection, citing reasons of dealing with reducing headcount, wanting to ensure a more consistent inspection performance, and having more traceability requirements. Our primary goal is to provide a robust solution to our customers as an alternative to operator visual inspection. We started approximately 2 years ago. We started off with market analysis and internal prototyping. The main customer challenges which can be improved is reducing headcount, is ensuring a more consistent inspection performance, and dealing with traceability requirements. As a system integrator, we always prefer to work with multiple partners to ensure a best fit solution for our customers. Well, a big aha moment was realizing that there is a big difference in scope for our customers. So on one end, simply looking for the presence of a weld can be enough. On the other hand, a full inspection in accordance to a complete standard is required, but often this tends to be on the lower side. So inspecting basically what a human sees is simply enough, and they're a good solution for that. The initial feedback we have is based on our first solved projects, and so far it seems that the solutions we are building right now are a good fit as an alternative to their operator inspection. In the future, we expect that quality control will be a more integral part to our machines. In the past, we have been focusing mostly on the process itself, but in the future we think that quality control at various steps in our machines will be more standard. You can find the solution here at AWO in Harderwijk in our own experience center. We built this inspection cell to test the various solutions, and for our customers we can do feasibility tests and technology demo. So see you soon in Harderwijk.